What's going on, guys? So it's my day off, and every day when I'm off I'm always busy. So right now it's actually 11:12, guys, and I have to be there at 11:40 in downtown to pick up some documents. So you know me, I'm always late. So I'm gonna try to, like, you know, not go fast, but yeah, I'm gonna try to get there as fast as I can. After that, we're heading to the gym, and I'm gonna take you with me, and then probably grab some Starbucks. So I'll see you there. Yo, one thing I hate the most, guys, about living in Atlanta is just that the traffic is so bad. Like, it's like people keep moving here, and it's just so packed, and we only have about 4 lanes on the highway, and it's just it gets worse every day. Yeah, guys, so sometimes it's not your job, guys, that is stressful, you know. Sometimes it's more of a traffic thing. So that's what I hate about Atlanta. It has so much traffic, guys, and it's just crazy. What's going on, guys? So I just came back. I went up there. I couldn't take y'all with me because it's like federal stuff and like the government. So I went in there and got what I had to get. Came back. I didn't pay the parking, so I could have got booted, but it was fast, so you know I didn't get booted. So right now I'm about to leave before they do boot my car, which I don't want it to happen. It happened before, so yeah, I'm not trying to pay $60 to $100 for, you know, somebody booting my car. Heck no. So without further ado, right now I'm going to the gym, so I'll meet y'all there. Guys, so I just came back from the gym. I'm in my car now, and I'm ready to go to Starbucks. Had a good workout, so let's go get this Starbucks. And never pay full price for Starbucks because they're already expensive. So yeah, let's get it. So we're waiting, guys. We're at Starbucks, as you can see. All right, guys, so I just got a Starbucks. Apparently there's a line, and I'm gonna teach you how to, like, you know, not pay full price, you know, because Starbucks is already expensive. Like, I feel like they need $1 menu or something. Frappuccinos need to be like $1. Like, you know, that thing expensive, man, for real. It'll leave me broke. I remember I used to go to Starbucks every day, like $10 every day. Imagine, it's like $70 a week. Yo, that was crazy. I was almost like finna get kicked out of my parents' house back when I was living with them because I couldn't pay the rent. You know, that's how bad I was going to Starbucks. But again, we're right here, and I'm about to show you how to get this Starbucks deal.
2 different Starbucks cards?
No, it's 2 different credit cards.
No, with the BOGO, it's Starbucks card.
Oh.
You have to have the Starbucks app.
Okay, so wait, so I can't get it? I need a card?
Okay, sir, so you have to be a Starbucks member with the Starbucks card to get the happy hour discount. So it has to be on 1 transaction.
Can I get a vanilla bean Frappuccino?
I'm sorry, I don't have any vanilla beans.
Oh, okay. How about just a vanilla Frappuccino?
I'm sorry?
Cafe vanilla Frappuccino? Do y'all even have that?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Can I have 2 ventis? And then the other one will be
Oh wait, we can't make it because we don't have the vanilla bean.
Wait, I don't? Okay.
Frap, and then a grande caramel frap, and the grande, and then 2 grande caramel fraps.
Yeah.
So yeah.
All right, guys. So I'm in line right now, and apparently I have to have a card with Starbucks or a membership with Starbucks or something. They tripping. I don't know what they talking about. So hopefully I show them this code and then it'll work, but we'll see. All right, guys. So this is what I paid. Buy one, get one free. As you can see, the discount was applied, and that's how you get a free Starbucks Frappuccino. Or you can go half and half with a friend. Since it was $6 for two, you can just split that and pay $3, and your friend can pay the other $3. And that's how you get a buy one, get one free, guys. What's going on, guys? So I just got back and I had the Starbucks. Again, do not pay full price for Starbucks when you can get this BOGO, buy one get one free. And again, so if you are a Starbucks member, they will notify you or send you an email that they're having this BOGO, and it happens like every Thursday or Friday. Not really sure about that. And if you're not a member like me, because I lost my password and I reset it, and every time I did the reset, it won't let me go in the app. So I have Retail Me Not, which is an app that actually, you know, gives you deals or provides you deals, and it lets you know whenever, you know, any ice cream or food places have deals. So they actually also notify you whenever Starbucks have this deal, and you can download that coupon code or barcode, so that way you can get the Starbucks for buy one get one free. Again, I hope y'all like the video. Subscribe, hit that like button, and we upload 2 to 3 videos every week, guys. So deuces.